8 to 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Sunday. Impacts. Whiteout conditions with near zero visibility, at times due to blowing snow. The strong winds and weight of snow on trees lay down power lines and could cause sporadic power outages. Whiteout conditions are expected and will make travel treacherous and potentially life-threatening. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay in your vehicle.